welcome to lesson 76. This is about multiplying fractions. Now we've added and subtracted fractions, and whenever you add and subtract fractions, we must remember that the denominator always has to be the same. You have to have the same denominator when subtracting and adding fractions. With multiplying fractions, it is actually easier as long as you know your multiplication facts. It is very much easier because you do not have to have the same denominator. So whenever I multiply fractions, it's not like multiplying numbers where my numbers get larger. I'm actually trying, or my fractions will actually become smaller. So it's the opposite because you have a partible whole, you have a smaller numerator and larger denominator. So the key thing to remember whenever I multiply fractions in word problems, if you see of, you can automatically assume is going to be a multiplication problem. So if I'm trying to find 1/2 of 1/2, that means I'm going to multiply 1/2 times 1/2, or I'm finding what 1/2 of 1/2 is, and notice that it does get smaller because 1/2 of a half is equal to 1/4. So this is how it would look. 1/2 times 1/2, multiplication is of, and it equals to 1/4. So this is going to help us when looking at example 1. Bruce found 1/4 of a pizza in the refrigerator and ate half of it. What fraction of a whole pizza did Bruce eat? So I'm finding a fraction of a whole pizza. However, my two fractions are, because I start with 1/4 of a pizza, and I want to find what 1/4 of half is. So I'm multiplying 1/4 times 1/2. And 1/4 times 1/2, I just multiply straight across. 1 times 1 is 1. And 4 times 2 is 8. So it equals to 1/8. So that's the fraction of the pizza, of the whole pizza that Bruce ate. He ate one piece of the entire pizza. So example 2 tells us what fraction is 1/2, keyword of 3/4. So I'm multiplying 1/2 times, because of 3/4. 3 times 1, or 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 4 is 8. So 3/8 is 1/2 of 3/4. It means if I had 3/4 of a circle and I split it in half, I would have 3/8 of a whole circle. So that's what it's telling us. Example 4 says 2/3 times 4/5. Go ahead and try this by yourself. It should be pretty easy. And your answer should be 8/15. All right, so you should be able to do these practice set problems now. Letter F, G, and H, multiplying just straight across. Find the answer, find the product of the fractions. And then letter K says, what is the area of a square with sides 1/2 inch long? Remember, we did learn about area very recently. Whenever you find area, you're finding everything inside. You find all of the space in between, just like the carpet on our floor of the classroom. So you are going to multiply the sides together, and it's a square. Each side, all the sides are 1/2 inch long. So multiply 1/2 times 1/2, and you will be able to find the area, and you do need to remember how to label correctly. So thank you very much for paying attention. I'll be checking your notes and the practice set problems in class for participation grade. Thank you.